Hi everyone, welcome back once again. In my last tutorial, I have showed you how you could do text formatting with the tools of font group. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how you could do formatting your paragraph using the tools that are available under paragraph group. So to do that, I'm writing some sentences. So this is our paragraph, and now I'm going to formatting it. Before starting, I'm telling you what is actually paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting includes items such as alignment, indenting, as well as numbering and bulleting of leads. And if you click on the home tab, you will see a paragraph section within the ribbon. So we are in home tab, and this is the ribbon section as I mentioned earlier, and under here it is the paragraph section. So how we could know that there is a paragraph, or how we could insert a paragraph? So we want to indicate that this is a paragraph. Okay, so we have to click on it. As you have seen that this sign is the paragraph sign. So this one paragraph, this second paragraph, third and fourth. Let's undo it. Okay. Now for the first tool, it is the bulleting tool. So using this we can put numbers here, bullet numbers here, just like first we have to choose this, and I would like to put a bullet point. If you click on the drop down, you will see lots of designs are available, and based on the design you have selected, the bullets are changing. Okay, now if you want to put numbers instead of bullets, so you have to select it first, then you have to choose the drop down, and from there you can see or choose the numbers list, so it will turn into a list of numbers. Then another one is list with sublisting. Just I'm selecting these two, and I'm putting, you have seen, if I write something here, you have seen. Okay, so different types of sub list you can include using this tool. Now this is the alignment. Using this you can align your paragraph. First time we have selected and we are choosing the left align. Right now it is in left align. This is the center align, it should come to the center. This is the right align, and this is the justify, that means equal in both sides. Now this is the line and paragraph spacing. So if we select the paragraph first, and if we choose the size. Based on it, as you have seen that the spacing are implementing here, and if we want to remove space, we have to choose remove space, so there will be no space here. Okay, now if we want to add space, as you have seen, there is a spacing right now among the lines. So this is the spacing section, and if you want to remove the space, we need to click on it and you can choose this one. So the spacing between the lines will be removed. Now so I am choosing it. Right now I am decreasing the indent. This is the last part. If I increase it, so the indent section will be increased here, and if I want to decrease it, I need to choose this icon. So the indenting will be reduced. Now it is the, if you hover on it, it will show you the name of the tool. This is the shading tool. I am choosing a sentence and I am putting shading. As you have seen, based on our shading, it is also a kind of highlighting. As you have seen, shading applicable right now. Now I would like to add borders here. So I am choosing it and I am putting a border. Top border, left border, right border, as you've seen, all border. So all the text should be in the borders. So you can write something out of this box, and if you want to put it into a box, you just need to insert a box here. Now I'm going to extending it to show you what other things actually available in paragraph group. So I'm clicking on it. As you have seen that the indenting and spacing I have already described here. Line and page breaks we can use, or we can set up it here, otherwise we can set the default one. So this is the way you could formatting your paragraph using the tools available in paragraph group. So thank you for watching it. Hope you have now no confusion with the use of paragraph tools to format your paragraph. Thank you.